Hello my YouTube fans. So I am here with a new video, and in this video I will be replacing the battery of Redmi 3S Prime mobile. I purchased this battery from Includes, and no, this is not a promotional video. So let me unpack it quickly to start the process. By the way, let me tell you one more thing. So I have created one lithium ion battery teardown video. So that's the same battery which I have purchased again, the new one, the brand new one, just to place it back into the mobile phone. So guys, this is the battery. So this battery looks much better than the previous one, and the build quality also looks good. Overall, I can say look and feel quality is good, and it's heavier than the previous battery. Let's start the process for placing it back to the mobile phone. My Redmi 3S Prime is already in dismantled state because I have removed the old one. I'm just taking out the back cover. It is not fixed properly. And now I will just be placing a new battery inside it, showing you how to fix it. So guys, if you have noticed, here is a catch. Before placing the battery on its position, you have to fix the power cable which is coming out from the battery. And you need to fix it with the motherboard, I mean the main board of the mobile PCB. And once it is fixed, then you can place the battery on its position. And you have to take care of the connector cable if it is getting tempered. And now time to fix this internal cover. This is metallic cover which will be fixed on the top of the PCB, the upper part of the PCB. You can see the part which is exposed as a battery. Let me just fast forward this video to save the time. Okay, the cover is fixed. Now time to put on the screws on the cover. Okay, so one screw is fixed on the right hand side top corner, and now I am fixing the opposite corner screw. And similarly I did for all the screws, like in crisscross manner. That's a way how you can fix the screw. And now time to fix this touch sensor cable. So basically the touch sensor resides at the back side of the phone in Redmi 3S Prime. So I'm trying to fix this cable. You can see the length of the cable is good, and it has been made in a manner so that you can pull it and connect it, and then you can put the back cover accordingly. It's a bit tricky because at the same time this cable is very delicate, so I'm not pulling it to the max extent. Few people are using tweezers. That's the best way to do that, but here I'm not having tweezers at this point of time, and hence I am trying to fix it accordingly. Why I am asking you to be careful with this cable, because these cables are having very fine tracings of copper. If you will see it closely, it will have very fine tracing of copper, which is creating a connection between the main board and the sensors. If any of the tracing is broken, then it's useless. It will be completely useless. So that's why. So here I am fixing the volume up and down button. So basically these buttons are having a small rubberized part attached with it, which is fixed with the upper chassis. But here that thing got broken, that's why the button came out. So I just placed it at the position, and then I am fixing the back chassis. And once everything is aligned, then you need to press it softly at the edges, and you will get a click sound from all the sides, and it's done. So it fixed properly, and this is the place for SIM card tray. So now I am inserting the SIM card tray without any SIM or micro SD card, because I need to check the mobile phone. Later on I will be inserting that. And now I am turning on the mobile phone. So guys, it's done, and the mobile is turning on. Now we will be checking the battery from the battery app. Let the mobile boot up, and I will make it fast forward to save the time. So guys, it's booted up properly. Now I'm going to settings and tapping on the battery performance, and here we go. And this is it. And the battery looks good. Right now battery is 57%, but it will give backup for 23 hours 52 seconds. So battery looks good for now. Later on, after usage only, I will get the actual battery performance matrix if it is working fine or not. So that's it guys, that's it in this video. And if you find this video informational and helpful, please do like this video, share this video, and subscribe my channel for the latest update. See you in the next video. Bye bye.